My mom wants to be on YouTube. Hey mom, hey.
No, stop it.
Say hi. Yeah. Why don't you want to be on YouTube?
Entering the building just minutes early.
No, I don't like
Uniforms
it.
work in pairs.
For what? Stupid stuff? Oh.
No, good
I
videos.
realized that they were entering the
My mom doesn't like my videos. She thinks I'm a bad challenger. No,
company.
kidding. Okay, chili is awesome. This chili is a recipe by Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay is that.
It is?
Yeah. I'm kidding. It's Dad's own recipe. This is my dad's own recipe. Look at that chili. It looks like dog poop, I know. But it's good. It's good. It's good.
He told us how he smoked
I put widow sauce in mine and I died. Do not put widow sauce in any foods. Unless the food's supposed to go with it.
In fact, you personally cleared that
Mm.
You intentionally left. Told the Dutchman about it.
That's the craziest damn thing I've ever heard. We need false alarms.
Hi, Mom.
Well, we thought there could be honest mistakes, so we looked into you. Turns out that you have a new girlfriend.
Oh, I almost shoved my hand in there.
Your cousin is one of the jewel thieves.
Whether you were honey trapped or whether the whole thing was your idea, we're not quite certain. But at this point, it doesn't matter.
We dating that.